Alright guys, so to get rid of all those small pimples, all those small bumps on your forehead or your face, we're going to be making use of bicarbonate of soda, which is otherwise called baking soda. Now baking soda is an excellent remedy for pimples, blackheads and acne. It is a mild exfoliant that helps remove dead skin cells and cleans your pores. It does this while helping dry out and heal existing acne. Okay, and then we're going to be making use of lemon. Now we have green lemons here, guys. Okay, that's why my lemon is actually green. It's not lime, it's lemon. Lemon provide and remove free radicals. It fights against itchiness. It contains antioxidants and a lot of vitamin C, which helps keep skin tone and helps boost the skin immune system. And then the next one, we're going to be needing potato. Now potato is a great remedy for the skin. It works wonders in lightening up the skin because it contains a whitening property and as well as vitamin C, which is very beneficial for hydrating the skin. It makes your skin clear and blemish free. It contains anti-aging remedy that prevents aging and reduces the signs of wrinkles and also fine lines. And then we're going to be making use of aloe vera. Now aloe vera is a natural remedy that works wonders on the skin, on the hair and also in the body. It helps the skin glow. It contains antibacterial and anti-inflammatory agents that helps to reduce acne from the skin. It also helps to grow new cells and speed up the healing process of acne, and it prevents small bumps. And so we're gonna be preparing this in two ways. One is gonna be with baking soda and lemon, and the other is gonna be with aloe vera and potato. Okay, so these two ways are what we're gonna be needing to remove small bumps from the hair, from the head, I mean the forehead. Okay, we're gonna be taking in 2 tablespoons of bicarbonate of soda, and then we're going to be pressing in lemon, about 2 tablespoons also. Alright, now we're just going to be mixing this all up. And here we have it. Okay, so this consistency is perfect, and this is going to be a great scrub that would help to scrub out all those bacterials that is actually causing your forehead or your face to get that pimples. Okay, so it's going to help so much to reduce its in sizes. Okay, so the second ingredients we are going to be peeling off the potato at first. Alright, so the next one, we're just going to be blending it so we can get the goodness, which is the potato juice. Alright, now we're going to turn the blended potato into this bowl. Then we're going to be mixing it with the aloe vera. So we're going to prepare the aloe vera also. Okay, so you have to get rid of the aloe vera peel. And here is the gel. Alright, now we'd have to blend it also. Okay, so it's properly blended. Now let's mix that into the potato juice at once. Now we stir. Okay, so this is actually the second treatment for this home remedy. So this is the first scrub, which comprises of the baking soda and lemon, and this comprises of tomato and aloe vera. Now this would work really well in getting rid of dark spots, fighting dark spots, and this will work so well in removing pimples. Okay, so the two work hand in hand in fighting those small bumps and pimples on your forehead, okay, as well as removing them all up and clearing the dark spots. Okay, now if you're using this for the very first time, you have to use it straight for 1 week, like every day for 1 week. And you have to first of all try it on your skin. If it suits your skin, then you can continue. Okay, but if it doesn't suit your skin, you have to discontinue. Now for this one, I'm going to be telling you more about it when we're applying it. Okay, so here is the first ingredient. I turned that into another bowl because I have to refrigerate this particular one. Okay, and this is the potato and aloe vera. This is the baking soda and the lemon. Okay, so what you're gonna do is that when you keep it for more than 30 minutes, the baking soda is going to settle below. So what you do is to mix it so you can actually use it that way. So what I'm doing now is that I'm just going to turn that into my palm, and then I'm going to use my other hands, grab this. For now, guys, now I have a little bumps or pimples or whatever you can see here on my forehead, and this is actually a best treatment to clear that, you know. For me, I'm going to be using it like also around this place. I think I have some. Where is it? I can't find it right now. Okay. So if you're treating pimples with baking soda, you are not going to scrub. You just apply this treatment and then you massage. Like you just massage a little, not scrubbing. You're not scrubbing, you're just massaging your face like this. Just a little. Okay? Because already the treatment is, very strong enough to exfoliate your skin. So you just massage a little like that. Alright, so after that, then you can wash it off after 1 minute. For a sensitive skin, immediately you apply it, wash it off. For a normal skin, after you've applied 1 minute or 2, wash it off. For an oily skin, you can leave it for like 3 minutes, you wash it off. To potato and aloe vera, and what you do is to grab a brush and then you apply it. That's the next thing, okay? Grab a brush and apply it all over your forehead. This is just going to get rid of pimples, okay? For some while now, my skin, the hormone in my body is changing, so my skin has actually changed alongside with it. So alright, so this is what keeps my skin going, all of this natural stuff, okay? Okay guys, so after applying this generously onto your forehead, okay? I hope it's generous because I don't have a mirror to see. Okay, so after applying this, then you can hold it for like 3 minutes. This one is very mild, it's very gentle, so you can